This is Travis the Trader coming to you live. Wishing everybody a good morning. Wanted to touch base with everyone and just give you a quick market update, as well as some of the trading activity that's been happening in my account. Looking at the markets overall, very strong. The NASDAQ this morning /NQ up about 100 and 105, 106 points. These are the NASDAQ futures /ES up about 17 points. Wanted to take a look at volatility /VX down 15 cents. Market overall seems to be quite complacent with what's been happening. Very interesting mover in the metals today is silver /SI. It's up almost $1. Quite extraordinary to see just how much metals, gold, silver, copper, have moved over these last several weeks. Definitely something to take a look at considering the volatility that's behind the metals at this point. Turning over to my options account, trading account, some activity, not a whole lot. One of the things I just wanted to mention, it's not on my list, it's not in my portfolio, is FXI. FXI is the large cap China ETF, and I had a covered call, and that covered call was assigned, meaning that the person on the opposite side who bought the call exercised their position, and I believe it was a 20 call, and I was hedged, meaning that I had the shares, and so I no longer have the position in my portfolio. I can always go back and sell a naked put or sell a strangle or some other sort of strategy, but at this point I don't have FXI in my portfolio anymore. I did put on a naked put in UAL, United Airlines. I sold the 49 put in July, 60 days to expiration. The other thing I was a bit active in was EWZ. EWZ is the Brazilian ETF. I took off 4 contracts at the 29.34 and the 30.34 and took those off and put on 2 contracts in the 29.34 strangle, 60 days out. Other than that, really not a whole lot of activity going on right now. My biggest gain today is Intel. Intel seems to be having an up day, and that's helping with a naked put as well as having a covered call in that position. Biggest loss today, seems like I have a couple of them, but GDX, GDXJ, I need to see a downtick. That's really what it boils down to. GDX is just a naked call at 37. GDXJ, which was a strangle, is now turned into a straddle. Really need to see gold. Really need to see the gold futures /GC, the gold ETF, which is GLD. I need to see a downtick because there is some correlation between the various products. Other than that, really have nothing else to report. Please stay tuned for some future educational content that I look to put up today and later this week. If you found value, please subscribe to my channel as well as giving me a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing everybody at the movies.